Hello gardeners, thank you for stopping by. I enjoy sharing my knowledge and experience with all of you. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
What if part of your lawn could feed your family, help wildlife, and save you time all at once? Believe it or not, June is one of the easiest months to start transforming a little lawn into a thriving food forest or colorful pollinator meadow. And no, you don't need a tractor, a huge budget, or a degree in gardening. Traditional lawns can be beautiful, but they're often hungry for water, fertilizer, and constant mowing. By converting even a small section of lawn, you can create habitat for birds, bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects while reducing maintenance over time. Think of it as giving part of your yard a promotion. Instead of just sitting there looking green, it starts working for you. The biggest mistake is trying to transform the entire yard at once. Instead, start with a patch as small as a parking space. Lay down cardboard, add mulch on top, and you've started a simple lawn-to-garden conversion. In a few months, you'll have healthier soil and a space ready for planting. One of the easiest June projects is planting native flowers. Native plants are already adapted to local conditions and often require less care once established. Mix several varieties that bloom at different times to provide food throughout the season. The result is a colorful patch that's buzzing with life, literally buzzing. The bees will probably appreciate it more than your lawnmower does. Want to grow food without building a giant garden? Try a foodscape. Replace a few ornamental plants with edible ones like blueberries, herbs, strawberries, or dwarf fruit trees. These plants can look beautiful while producing food year after year. It's landscaping with a snack budget built right in. Let's recap. A smaller lawn can support more wildlife. Starting with one small area keeps the project manageable. Native pollinator patches help biodiversity, and foodscaping lets your landscape produce something useful and delicious. Start with the easiest step. Choose one small patch of lawn and convert it this month. Bonus tip, leave a few fallen leaves and natural areas around your garden. Many beneficial insects use them for shelter. Ready to turn your yard into something more alive, productive, and beautiful? Give this video a thumbs up. If you found it useful, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future sustainable gardening ideas. And watch the next video on your screen because it's packed with simple ways to grow more while doing less. Thanks for watching, and remember, every small patch of nature you create makes a difference. See you soon.